Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to install this glueless wig. I am actually refilming this wig review. I'm going to show you guys the style that I originally did for this wig. Today's hair sponsor is Domiso Hair. Domiso Hair is an Amazon company and I have worked with them in the past, and I believe it was like a kinky straight wig. You guys loved that wig. This wig is definitely out of my comfort zone, y'all, but it just goes to show that black girls can pull anything off. What I have installed is 24-inch body wave glueless wig. This is a closure style. We are reinstalling this wig because the first time, I don't know, it wasn't giving for me the first time. Okay, that looks pretty good. So I think we will go ahead and curl her. Or a clip of what it looked like when I first styled it out of the box.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. The pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel what is left. I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love.
Let me try curling it under and see if I like it more. Which side do we like more, y'all? Comment below. We need to add some part. The part needs to be parting. Like, I cannot stress enough how much you cannot neglect the part. The part is what sets the look off. That's what finishes the look. So if you're home and you're doing your wig install and you don't do this and you're like, okay, I'm done, but why does it not look like, you know, the girlies? That's why, y'all. In real life, when you're looking at it, you're not thinking, oh, it needs a powder. It looks fine. And it transforms it. It takes it from wiggy to that's her hair. Seal that in. But this is how the second install turned out. I did add more layers to the wig. Originally I had some money piece layers put in because I did try to do a half up half down style. It was just not giving, so we added some more layers and turned the money piece into like curtains slash face framing layers, and we cut some layers throughout here. So it's not necessarily a curtain bang because curtain bangs typically have a layer that is face framing and it's just usually one portion. It doesn't really continue. Let me know what you guys think of this wig install. If you want to purchase this Amazon wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you guys. If there's a discount code, you know what, it's gonna be there as well. I'll catch you guys later in another review real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.